Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and today we are back with another incredible recipe. We'll be making a very easy and very special recipe. We'll be making Heavenly Lollipop, which is also known as Saucy Lollipop. In a lot of the restaurant we will learn how we can make this incredible and easy dish at home. Let's go and let's learn how to go about and produce this super amazing dish in few steps. Going to begin with the chicken wings. I'm taking chicken wings with skin and I'm showing you how we can make lollipop by ourselves. This is the bone. We have to knuckle the bone out. First bone, then second bone, and we'll take this third bone off. See, like this we have to just twist and one bone will pop out. Then from the last corner two bones will pop out. We have to remove one bone, the smaller one, and we can pop the two lollipops out like this. Take it on the chopping board, then cut it from the center and cut this last winglet off. So your two nice beautiful lollipops ready. Just pull the meat little towards up so that you get nice and clean lollipop shape like this. So the lollipops are now ready to go. I will cut the another two as well, and I will show you again how we can easily pop this off. Pull the meat up with full hands so that no flesh is getting off. So our 4-piece lollipop ready with skin. In a separate bowl we will take 3 tablespoons full of maida. Now we are making the batter of the lollipop. Then I'll add 3 tablespoons full of corn flour. Corn flour can be slightly more higher. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, ajinomoto or aromat powder, then black pepper, then egg. Black or white pepper, it is optional. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon celery, then 1 teaspoon of green chili and 1 tablespoon full of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Then I'm adding little of ginger garlic paste, then heap tablespoon full of red chili paste. Then I will be adding 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to get all this thing along, then half a lemon juice to get that acidity. First we'll mix it like this with only egg, then we'll add water and we'll make a nice thick sort of batter for our lollipop to dump in fry. This is the consistency that we are looking for. It has to coat the spoon like this. So that is the consistency we are looking for. So make sure you add water accordingly. You can add little red color to this batter to make the lollipop look extremely red, but it is not advisable when you are making at home. So you want to make it healthy, and if you are making for children, avoid. So this is the way we will marinate our lollipop in this batter, and we can keep in the fridge for 2-3 hours before frying. In medium hot oil we will put the lollipop and we'll fry on a very slow flame, because the chicken from inside needs to cook completely, and there is a very thick batter outside. So chicken, there are chances of batter getting cooked first and chicken remaining uncooked. So we have to make sure that we are cooking on really slow flame. After a minute or two we will touch these lollipops and we'll keep twisting and turning it, but immediately after putting it in the oil we will not touch the lollipop because we will break the batter. After 3 or 4 minutes we will prick the lollipops like this with the help of knife, fork or any pointed thing you have in kitchen. We'll prick it so that oil penetrates inside and cook the lollipop nicely from inside. When you prick, you will immediately start to see that bubbles forming up. That is all the inside juice of the chicken coming out and making the lollipop very tender and properly cooked from inside. After 7 to 8 minutes our lollipop is nicely done. It is crispy and amazing. We'll take it out on the plate and we'll start for our sauce. You can see this lollipop very crispy. This is a dish in its own self. You can serve this directly with Szechuan chutney or ketchup or any sort of garlic dip you have. On a separate pan, hot oil, then 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of celery. We'll start the preparation of the sauce. I'll add 1 teaspoon of green chili chopped, then saute all these dry vegetables together and allow it to cook nicely. We need a really brown sort of sauteed color on these vegetables. Once you see these vegetables are properly cooked, then we will be adding our rest of the ingredients like 2 tablespoons of red chili paste. This is really very important. Red chili paste, you can soak the red chili and you can add little vinegar and you can blend, so your red chili will be ready. Here I am adding half a cup of water to allow the vegetables and all the ingredients some time to cook together, and I'll wait for the boil to come. Then I will add ketchup. Ketchup will add all the sweet and sourness. Then I've added 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, that is also very important ingredient. Then I'm adding all the seasoning, white pepper powder a pinch, salt as per taste, and you can add aromat powder half teaspoon to get all the flavors along and to give that a piquant taste. Cook the sauce nicely so that everything is coming along. Cook it properly. Then I'm adding 1 pinch of sugar just to enhance all the flavors, 1 teaspoon of corn flour slurry to get the sauce thickened up so that I can add the lollipops and it will all get along. Here I am adding the lollipop into this sauce. Then if you are comfortable with tossing, then you toss, otherwise you can do it with the help of spoon or wok, whatever is available with you. The idea is to coat the lollipop properly in the highest flame that is possible so that all the sauces get absorbed by the lollipop and it tastes amazing. So this is how you have to turn and twist with the spoon, and you have to make sure that it is on top flame. I'm adding spring onion, and to add a little desi touch, I'm adding fresh coriander leaves to this. This gives a nice sort of freshness to the masala lollipop or heavenly lollipop, whatever we call it. See, as you can see, the sauce is starting to drying up and it is starting to coat the chicken very well. So this is almost done now. In 30 seconds I'm gonna take this off. See, the beautiful heavenly lollipop is done. I'm taking it out on the plate. You can arrange it nicely so that it looks beautiful. I'm take it out one by one, portion by portion, arrange it nicely, all the 4 pieces on a plate. Then the remaining little sauce or masala that is left over, you will be spreading over the lollipop so that you get proper serving. So there it is, your easy simple restaurant style in just few little steps. First we have made the batter, then we have marinated the chicken, deep fried the chicken, then we made the sauce, we add the fried chicken to the sauce, and it was very easy. Time for the tasting, and it is super duper delicious, same like how we get in restaurant or any food stall. So your amazing restaurant style heavenly lollipop done. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.